With so many options today, finding the right private education can be difficult, but it really doesn't have to be. There's some key questions you can ask, which will really help narrow your choices down. Today's local education expert will share some insider tips on what to look for when searching for just the right fit.
Why is the ACT a coachable test? Isn't it supposed to be an aptitude test, things that you're born with that you're not going to lose? Well, it's never been an aptitude test. The SAT was somewhat of an aptitude test, and it changed fairly quickly, and no longer is it even an acronym for Scholastic Aptitude Test as it was back in the 20s, 30s, 40s, and 50s. SAT just is SAT. ACT stands for American College Testing. Aptitude is best defined as learned capabilities, not inherent capabilities. So students can come in scoring really highly thanks to their God-given gifts or their early learning in first, second, and third grade, but plenty of students can catch up in their 10th and 11th grade on the skills that are being asked of these relatively narrow tests. The ACT is coachable because we know the level of math and the types of questions that are about to be asked 2 months from now, 5 months from now, 7 months from now. We know the types of reading passages that the ACT typically uses. We know how the science reasoning on the ACT works. It's fairly consistent. Very different types of experiments being used, but the same kind of questions, same kind of inferences, same kinds of comparisons needing to be made. And finally, there's the ACT English, and the English has been fairly consistent for 200 years. ACT's only been around for 40 of those years, but it's testing English as used in short sentences that students need to correct or make identifications of how it could be corrected. When you know these things in advance, you can coach to them. So the answer to why the ACT is coachable is because of the consistency and format that the ACT test makers give that allows every student who's willing to study to raise their scores.
Incredible! What a huge impact a little time can make. With the right professional, the focus is simple. Excited? Need more information? You can reach today's expert at the number on your screen. Thanks for joining us.